Today we will be sharing with you this delicious crab rangoon recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need wonton wrappers, 8 ounces of crab imitation, 8 ounces of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of diced green onion, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili sauce. In a bowl, we're going to combine together the cream cheese and the imitation crab. We're going to add in the green onions and season with the salt, pepper, and chili sauce. We're going to mix this until it's well combined. We're going to cover our wonton wrappers with a moist towel when we are not using them. We're going to use a brush to brush water over the wonton wrappers. We're going to scoop some of our filling into the center of our wonton wrapper and fold this in half to create a triangle shape and seal the edges tightly. Once it's complete, we're going to place it on a platter. Another way you can fold your wrapper is by folding together the 2 opposite corners and then taking the open corner and folding it up and sealing the 2 sides that are free. And we're going to repeat this on both sides. Another way you can fold them is by creating the normal triangle shape and sealing the sides, and then taking the 2 corners and folding them together to create this almost crown shape. In a pan of oil over heat, we're going to add in our crab rangoons and cook them until golden brown. Once golden brown, we're going to flip and continue cooking until golden brown again. Once finished cooking, we're going to take them out onto a paper towel lined plate. Our crab rangoon are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.